Give me time to think. Give me time to shake off the drink. Better come round quick. Soon to be met by Mr. Hoodie Boy. Tactics. In the back of the furnace van. Get going on like a snowman. In the back of the furnace van. Holding on to whatever you can. In the back of the furnace van. About a mile, we've been in love for a while now. Think he's doing a detour.